Feel his feet, Levi.
I've already felt him. He's already felt him. They feel rubbery. Can I hold him? Yeah.
Bring it over to the babies.
Hold his feet close to you so he doesn't feel scared. See him?
Put it in the wagon with the babies.
Don't hurt him. They will.
It's a
They're
ducky.
gonna rip his beat off.
No, they're not.
If we could take this little guy home,
Let him go.
if we could take the chop, 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 chop.
Hey, baby girl. Is it good pizza, Zachary? Good pizza.